Welcome to another insightful video on the House Lux Estate channel, your go-to place for all things financial and real estate. House Lux Estate is more than just a channel. It's a knowledge hub, a space curated to provide you with the insights you need to navigate the financial and real estate world with confidence. Our mission: to educate, to equip, and to empower. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking to expand your portfolio or a first-time homebuyer trying to make sense of mortgage rates, we have something for everyone. Our content is tailored to help you understand complex financial concepts, demystify the real estate market, and above all, make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on an exciting journey of financial enlightenment. Today, we dive into the process of setting smart financial goals. Have you ever heard of SMART goals? Well, if you haven't, buckle up because you're in for a ride. Understanding the concept of SMART goals is like having a personal GPS for your financial journey. It helps you navigate where you're going and how you're going to get there. But what exactly are SMART goals? Let's break it down. The S in SMART stands for specific. Being vague about your financial goals is akin to wandering aimlessly in a vast desert. You need to be clear and precise about what you want to achieve. If your goal is to save money, specify how much you want to save. Is it $5,000? $50,000, or perhaps even more? Next, we have M, which stands for measurable. You must be able to track and measure your progress. If your goal is to save $20,000 in a year, you can measure your progress by setting aside roughly $1,667 each month. The third letter, A, stands for achievable. It's great to aim high, but your goals must also be realistic. If your monthly income is $3,000, it would be unachievable to save $1,667 each month, as this doesn't consider your living expenses. R is for relevant. Your financial goals should align with your long-term plans. If you're planning to buy a house in 5 years, your financial goals should revolve around saving for a down payment or improving your credit score. Lastly, we have T for time-bound. Setting a timeline creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused. If your goal is to save $20,000, when do you want to achieve this by? In a year? 2 years? And there you have it. The essence of SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each component plays a crucial role in helping you set effective and realistic financial goals. Now that we understand what SMART goals are, it's time to learn how to set them. Setting smart financial goals is not rocket science. It's a straightforward process that anyone can follow. Now, let's dive right into it. The first step in setting smart financial goals is to ensure they're specific. Rather than saying, I want to save money, be more precise. For instance, I want to save $20,000 for a down payment on a house. This specificity gives your goal a clear target, making it easier to focus on. The second step is to make sure your goals are measurable. You need to know when you've achieved your goal. So if you're planning to save $20,000, break it down into smaller, measurable targets. You could say, I want to save $500 each month. By doing this, you can track your progress and stay motivated. Next, your goals should be achievable. It's great to aim high, but your goals should be rooted in reality. If you're making $2,000 a month, saving $1,500 might not be achievable. An achievable goal in this case might be, I want to save 20% of my monthly income. The fourth step is to ensure your goals are relevant. Your financial goals should align with your life goals. If owning a home is not a priority for you, saving for a down payment might not be a relevant goal. Instead, you might want to save for an around-the-world trip or to start your own business. Finally, your goals should be time-bound. This means setting a deadline for when you want to achieve your goal. If you want to save $20,000, when do you want to have this amount by? A year, 2 years, 5 years? By setting a deadline, you create a sense of urgency, which can spur you into action. So to put it all together, a smart financial goal could look something like this. I want to save $20,000 for a down payment on a house in the next 5 years by saving $400 each month. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Remember, the process of setting smart financial goals is a cycle. Once you achieve one goal, it's time to set another. Your financial needs and priorities will change over time, and your goals should reflect that. Regularly review and adjust your goals to ensure they continue to serve you. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to set smart financial goals. Stick around for the next scene where we will discuss how to stick to your smart financial goals. Setting smart financial goals is one thing, sticking to them is another. Imagine you're on a journey. You've set your destination, charted your course, and you're on your way. But as with any journey, there will be roadblocks, detours, and unexpected events. Your smart financial goals are no different. They are your financial journey, and sticking to them requires tenacity, patience, and a little bit of strategy. So, how do you stick to your smart financial goals? Let's break it down. Firstly, track your progress. This is like checking your map regularly on a road trip. It helps you see how far you've come and how far you have to go. Use financial tracking tools or simple spreadsheets to keep an eye on your financial journey. Seeing your progress can motivate you to stay the course. Secondly, celebrate your small wins. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a step closer to your goal. Did you manage to save a bit more this month? That's a win. Did you reduce your spending on non-essentials? Another win. Celebrating these small victories can keep your motivation high and make the journey enjoyable. Thirdly, adjust your goals as necessary. Your journey may change. New opportunities or challenges may arise that require you to recalibrate your route. This doesn't mean you failed. It means you're adaptable and ready to make the changes necessary to reach your destination. Remember, your financial goals should work for you, not against you. Finally, keep your eye on the prize. Remember why you set these goals in the first place. Whether it's financial independence, buying a house, or simply having a comfortable retirement, your end goal is your guiding light. It's what keeps you going when the journey gets tough. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving your financial goals. Sticking to your smart financial goals may not be easy, but with these strategies, you'll be well on your way to financial success. So keep going, stay focused, and remember to enjoy the journey. So, to recap what we've discussed today, we dived deep into the concept of SMART financial goals, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. We have learned that setting SMART financial goals isn't just about making a wish, it's about creating a detailed and strategic plan for your financial future. We've discovered that a specific financial goal is one that is clear and precise. Instead of saying, I want to save money, you say, I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a house. It gives you a clear target to aim for. Next, we learned that our goals need to be measurable. This means that you should be able to track your progress. If your goal is to save $5,000, you should have a system in place to check how much you have saved at any given time. We also emphasized the importance of setting achievable goals. While it's good to aim high, your goals should be realistic and attainable, considering your income and expenses. Don't set yourself up for failure by aiming for the impossible. We discussed the aspect of relevance. Your financial goals should align with your overall life plans. If your long-term plan is to start a business, then saving for a down payment on a house might not be the most relevant goal. Finally, we talked about time-bound goals. Every goal should have a deadline. It creates a sense of urgency and helps to keep you motivated. Beyond just setting these goals, we also delved into some practical tips on how to stick to them. We talked about the importance of accountability, regular reviews of your progress, and the need to adjust your goals as your financial situation changes. Remember, setting smart financial goals is a continuous process that requires commitment and discipline. But with these strategies in place, you're well on your way to achieving financial success. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more financial and real estate insights. Until next time, stay financially savvy.